The Bharatiya Janata Party has fired at the Congress Party over an image of Shraddhanjali wall in which Gandhi's photographs have been put up with our heroes. Now, there is a Shraddhanjali wall which is basically to pay tributes, has been put up in tribute of the 8 December chopper crash and with regard to heroes including CDS, General Rawat. And there are pictures of the Gandhis as well, including Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Indira and Rajiv Gandhi's images feature in that wall right below the images of our heroes. The Bharatiya Janata Party has been quick to latch on to this image and firing a Parivar Bhakti attack at the Grand Old Party. BJP's Amit Malviya was the one to share these posters that have been put up in Uttarakhand ahead of Rahul Gandhi's visit. Posters slamming Rahul Gandhi, saying his party has insulted Indian martyrs, highlighting Kanhaiya Kumar's comments, accusing soldiers of even allegedly raping women in the Kashmir Valley. Remember, the Congress party had also, it appeared, to have insulted even the CDS years ago when Sandeep Dikshit, one of the netas of the Congress party, had called him a Sadak Ka Gunda. And now the Grand Party has gone ahead offering their tribute to CDS Rawat as well.
It has become the tradition of the Congress party to insult our braves and our armed forces time and again, and today they have done so by putting up the pictures of Rahul Gandhi in political campaign mode on a Shraddhanjali wall. It should only be reserved for our braves and our martyrs. Instead, they used the Shraddhanjali wall not to pay tribute and honor to our martyrs, but to do Parivar Bhakti. This is the party that called Bipin Rawat ji as Sadak Ka Gunda. This is a party that called surgical strikes as physical strikes. This is a party that questioned Balakot airstrikes and demanded sabut. The Congress party, if it has any shame left in it, it should remove these pictures of Rahul Gandhi from the Shraddhanjali wall and should apologize to the martyrs whom they have insulted.
Well, the Congress party cannot hope to malign our men in uniform and then try and gain mileage in their name. It's unfortunate that Rahul Gandhi is today going to address a rally in Dehradun in honor of the late CDS General Bipin Rawat. When he was alive, the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi's close aides called him Sadak Ka Gunda. Rahul Gandhi stood with people who spoke about breaking up India, and every time General Rawat spoke on matters of national security, he was derided by the Congress party. So today, when he is no more, he died recently in a tragic accident. For Rahul Gandhi to use his imagery in the state of Uttarakhand, from where he basically came, is despicable politics.
So listen in now to how Congress's Sandeep Dikshit back in 2017 had even insulted the then CDS General Rawat.
पाकिस्तान एक ही चीज कर सकता है कि जाके इस तरीके की उलझुल की हरकतें करे और अपने बयानबाजी दे। खराब तब लगता है कि जब हमारे भी थल सेना अध्यक्ष एक सड़क के मतलब गुंडे की तरह अपने बयान देते हैं। पाकिस्तान का दे तो दे, वो तो है ही, उनकी तो फौज में क्या रखा है साहब, वो तो एक माफिया टाइप के लोग हैं।
With all the latest on that, Supriya, just tell us what exactly is this controversy and how can Congress actually end up eventually causing a self-goal rather than try and get into what the country has been thinking and talking about?
Well, Pooja, as far as the Congress party is concerned, they are maintaining that this statement which was given by Sandeep Dikshit is around some 3 to 4 years back, and at the same time they are also saying that this is the statement which Sandeep Dikshit has given is in his personal capacity. That is not the Congress party stand, because he is their leader. However, he is not holding any official post in the organization at the moment. Also, the Congress party, when we spoke to a lot of leaders, including Manikam Tagore, who was with us just an hour back, he said that this is nothing but a diversionary tactic by the BJP, because today Congress has raised the issue of Lakhimpur Kheri and government is on the back foot. So that's why they're trying to divert the attention. They're saying that they very much respect General Bipin Rawat and all the other soldiers and the military officials. And today being the Vijay Divas, Congress is celebrating this day, and there is going to be this rally in Dehradun where Rahul Gandhi is expected to speak in a short while around 1:32, and there they have have come up with this exhibition on the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force, where they are going all out and celebrating the Vijay Divas. Today across country, Congress party is celebrating Vijay Divas. So Congress party is maintaining that because government is on a back foot as far as the Lakhimpur Kheri case is concerned. So that's why they have got out this controversy. However, that statement which was given by Sandeep Dixit is 3 to 4 years back, and Congress has cornered itself, and they are saying that this is what he's saying is in his personal capacity, has nothing to do with the
And the
party.
recent face-off is over the posters that have been put up in the Hill State. Please stay on with me, Supriya, for all the latest, because we'll have more stories coming in on what the Congress party has been stating. But this is the latest controversy. Has Rahul Gandhi insulted the soldiers? That is what the BJP has been asking today.